So I'm here in the Google Cloud Console. You can see this screen, and I have the 2 VM instance here. I have created a 2 VM instance, but whenever I try to restart this VM instance, this IP address, this external IP address is changed every time. So that will create a very big problem to our business, because if IP will change with every restart or stop and restart your server, and IP will change, then it will create a very big problem to your business. So we need to reserve this IP. So if you want to make the static this external IP address, then you have to click on the this navigation menu icon, and you have to go into the VS VPC network and click on the IP addresses. Now you need to click on this reserve external IP address. Once your IP address will be reserved, it will show here this static IP address and external and VM instance name here in UEDY, and this will be removed. So just you need to click on this reserve external static IP address, and you have to give the name here. So I'm giving name here like static IP because I have already one IP is reserved, so I can give here the 2. And if you want to give some description, you can give here the description. If you want to change the network type, so you can change here the network type. Better you can keep like this only, so premium will be used. And if you want to change here the IP address version, you can change. I will not going to change this. So and here region, if you want to change, then you can change here. Otherwise and make sure this region will dependent drop down is there. So if you select here, so according to this region this server will come. So if I will change to this South America West 1, so I haven't any VM instance for this region, so it is not showing. So I will change again to the US Central Loa, so one VM instance is there, so it is showing here. So I will select here, and we need to click on the reserve. So after clicking on reserve, it will take 10 to 20 seconds, and this IP will be static. So you can see here it's showing here the static, and one IP address will be generated here. So let me go to the make the duplicate this tab, and you can see this IP address is static now. Okay, and if I will go to the VM instance, so it will be static now. So let me go to the compute engine and the VM instance, and here you can see this this IP and this IP is same, and it is showing here the external and type is static, and renewed by VM instance RIL2. Okay, so this instance it is make the static. So thanks for watching this video. If you are new in this channel, so please click on the subscribe button. If you like this video, please hit the like button,